The Kogilu issue has opened the eyes to ensure that a proper investigation takes place. All along, we were only making claims, counterclaims, etc. about the presence of Bangladeshi. So now that this has come to light, so in all sincerity, we have requested the government of India, will be requesting the government of India to take up.
During your visit there, have you been able to establish that there were Bangladeshi immigrants, and how were you
See,
able to establish?
there are various ways of establishing Bangladeshi as well as Rohingya. Here what you see is that Bangladeshi means there are no women around them, only able-bodied people who have unauthorizedly migrated over there. They stay in huge camps over there. They have a place of worship and they are engaged in the disposal of plastic garbage on the pedaled three-wheelers over there. So we have found that such people were also present over there, and they had left those places when the team had gone over there. When during an earlier visit, we definitely found that people from those places were also occupying those places over there unauthorizedly. So someone is monitoring the situation on their behalf. Some political party or some NGO who are feeding them, etc., are regulating who should be present there, who should not be present there, who should be presented before the media, what should be spoken and who should speak, etc. So definitely these are all ghettos in which those persons who don't belong to this country were being sheltered. And when we went over there, we found a few traces of West Bengal registered vehicles over there, which obviously, as you know, criminals sometimes leave their footprints behind over there, and those vehicles are not removed over there.